So yeah, this is my assistant, and
This is my assistant.
this is another TV. This is a 75-inch TV.
我英文不好，不要这样。
This is also my assistant. As you can see,
所以我们都叫 Soundby Assistant 就对了。
there is some flickering light happening. At the end. Okay. So for this kind of problem, if you've seen my previous video, you will know it's LCD panel problem. So first of all, you turn it off and locate the T-CON port with one connection here and two output to the panel. First, need to disconnect one of them. I guess this one you can see. Then we can try again, see if the problem changed. Okay, I have disconnected this side, and as you can see, here there's still full of lines. It's here, and there's some vertical ones even. So let's try the other side now. Turn it off and disconnect this side. I don't think I need to explain how to do this. If you watch my previous video, I've done it a lot of times. I just auto record another one because this TV is quite unique. Okay, we can check again now. It's another assistant helping me. And the TV. This time is totally clean without any lines, even on the white side here because it says disconnected. It's totally clean without any lines. So the faulty part is the left side, which I actually already know before recording the video because the line is darker on the left side and the right side, so I can already tell, but I still wanna show you guys how you can identify the problem. Okay, so now we need to locate the CKV line on the board. Need to get the protective cover off. You already know the problematic side is here. You can see here it's written CKV. It's for these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pads. It's connected to these connections. Here is these 10 connections. You need to block the flex cable here. 10 of the connections from the right. And you also need to this additional line. You also need to plug this empty line. So it's 11 lines counted from the right. I will pause momentarily. I will be right back. Okay, I have put the tape on the connector now. As you can see, 11 of them is blocked. Just connect them. Okay, it's in now. Let's try again.
同一个网域吧，这整个网段，我有发现。
It's okay, it's okay.
是被我侦测到。你可以扫一下，我有扫过啊。好。你们都没有，你们应该有没有扫过？就我直接扫整个。
You can see the picture is normal for now. I will pause a while for the TV to boost and I will show you in its full glory later. As you can see, the lights is totally gone now. It's not flickering.
你在想是要看什么电影？
Everything is alright now.
我们已经攻略那个，你们知道什么东西？其实
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye. And yeah, again thanks to all my assistants here. Them. Yeah. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.